ESL Pronunciation, page 186. The pronunciation lesson for today is ED and D endings. We went over this several weeks ago during our Google Hangouts class, so this should mostly be review. Take a look at the following dialogue bubble. What ED ending pronunciations are correct? Now listen. I called my mother after I walked to the store. She added another item to my grocery list. Remember that the trick with ED or D ending pronunciations is to look at the final consonant in the verb. Call. Call ends in the L sound, which is voiced. L. So the ending is a D sound. Called. How about walk? Walk is a verb that ends in a voiceless consonant. K. 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 I walked to the store. Walked ends in the T sound. So instead of saying walked, you say walked. Finally, added. Added, the verb is add, which ends in a D sound. Remember that if a verb ends in D or T, we need the id pronunciation. This chart in your book is very helpful. When a verb ends in these sounds, it is pronounced as T. Notice that these are all voiceless, only air coming out. Stop. P, f, s, k, sh, ch. Only air, no vocal cord friction. Laugh ends in GH, but it's pronounced with the F sound. Laugh. So we would say, I laughed. Miss. I missed the ball. Watch. Don't worry about this symbol. It's basically a T and then the SH sound, like you see here. SH means that little symbol. Finish. Finished. Watch. Watched. When a verb ends with a vowel sound or these consonant sounds, which are voiced, it is pronounced as D. Grab, grabbed. Jog, jogged. Save, saved. Buzz, buzzed. Are you noticing the pattern? B, G, V, Z. Here, these are voiced, not voiceless. Same with massage, massaged. Change, changed. Climb, climbed. Remember, this is a silent B. Listen, listened. Travel, traveled. Breathe, breathed. And T or D means it's the id sound. Do you remember why? Visit. What if we pronounced visit with the T at the end? Visit, visit. No, that sounds crazy. What about D? Visited. I can't even do it. Visited. Going from T to D is impossible. So we need to add id, which adds another syllable. Visited. Decided. Visit, 2 syllables. Visited, 3. Decide, 2. Decided, 3. Remember to add that extra syllable. 8.7, listen and repeat the verbs in the past tense. Then listen again and identify what sound you heard at the end. You're going to write T, D, or id next to each verb. We can already figure this out without listening. Happened. Happen is the verb. It ends in what kind of consonant? Happen. Where's N? Here. If a verb ends with an N sound, it's going to have the D pronunciation. Go ahead and listen to 8.7. Listen and repeat, and then write the ending sound after the verb.
Happened. Changed. Visited. Guest. needed, waited, asked, helped, showed, watched, opened, started.
All right, let's go over it together. Changed, changed. J sound means it ends in a D. Visited, visited. Did you hear the additional syllable here? Because it ends in a T, it needs the id sound. So write that down. Capital I, lowercase d. Guessed, guessed. The base verb is guess. Is T voiced or voiceless? S, voiceless. S, so we need the T ending. Guessed. Needed, ends in a D. That means id. Needed. Waited, waited. Same thing, T or D, id. Asked, asked. This is a tricky one for your mouth because you have to produce the K sound and then the T sound. But it's still only one syllable, not asked. Asked, asked. Helped, same thing, voiceless P, helped. Showed, showed. W, that's voiced, so it's going to be D. Watched, watched. Let's see, they gave us watched right here. And its end is a T pronunciation. Opened, opened. Started, started, started. Nice work. Continue pronouncing the ED and D endings these ways, and you will be perfectly understandable. Everyone will know exactly what you're saying, and you'll sound like an American. Nice work.